Welcome to this video. Today we will explore Ahrefs, one of the most popular SEO tools used by digital marketers, bloggers and businesses. We will learn what it is and how to use it to improve your website search performance. Ahrefs is an all-in-one SEO toolset that helps you analyze websites, track rankings, research keywords and monitor backlinks. It is widely used for competitor research and SEO strategy planning. Ahrefs is powerful because it provides accurate data about your website and competitors. It shows you what's working for them, so you can adopt and improve those strategies for your own site. Ahrefs offers multiple tools including Site Explorer, Keyword Explorer, Site Audit, Rank Tracker and Content Explorer. Each tool serves a different purpose in improving your SEO strategy. The Site Explorer allows you to check any website's organic traffic, backlinks, and top ranking pages. You can use it to analyze competitors and discover their best content. Keyword Explorer helps you find relevant keywords with search volume, keyword difficulty, and ranking potential. It also shows related keywords and questions people ask. The Site Audit tool scans your website for technical SEO issues like broken links, missing meta tags, and slow loading pages. It then gives you a report to fix them. Rank Tracker allows you to monitor how your keywords are ranking over time. You can track both desktop and mobile results and compare your performance to competitors. Content Explorer helps you find the most popular content for any topic based on backlinks, traffic, and social shares. It's great for content ideas and outreach opportunities. To use Ahrefs effectively, start with the Site Audit to find technical issues. Then use Keyword Explorer to find keywords. Next, analyze competitors in Site Explorer, track rankings in Rank Tracker, and use Content Explorer for blog ideas. Using Ahrefs improves your SEO by giving you actionable data, helping you target the right keywords, build quality backlinks, and create content that ranks. Ahrefs is all-in-one SEO platform that helps you research keywords, monitor backlinks, track rankings, and analyze competitors. It's a must-have tool for anyone serious about SEO. Thank you for watching. Start using Ahrefs to understand your competition, improve your SEO, and grow your website traffic. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.